If you're looking for new ways to engage with your YouTube subscribers, then check this video out. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Have you heard about the YouTube Community tab? It allows you to post updates, share pictures, promote your business, and create polls to interact with your subscribers and viewers. You need to have 1,000 subscribers to unlock this feature. What are the best practices to use the Community tab to interact with your audience? 1. Gather feedback by using polls. Polls are considered an easy and popular way to engage with your community and get them more involved in your channel. You can use polls to discuss other topics not related to your channel, and of course, you can ask your audiences what type of content they want to see. 2. Adjust your audience expectations. On your first post, you can welcome your audience and tell them what they expect. It is the right place to tell them your plans and how they can engage with your content. 3. Remind your subscribers to enable notifications. You can ask them to click on the bell icon to be notified whenever you publish a new video or to know your recent channel updates. 4. Make yourself more interesting. Your followers always watch you while you are prepared. You shoot the videos, adjust lighting, and do the video editing process. Why don't you try to communicate with them in a nice, informal way? Tell them about interesting stuff in your life. 5. Offer them an exclusive content. Give your audience a good reason to check your recent updates in the Community tab. Post content like images that people can't find anywhere else. 6. Promote your products or services. You can provide your subscribers an exclusive offer to one of your products or services. You can test your new idea or product with them. Examples: don't miss our 10% early bird discount for December or Black Friday offers. 7. Your next video teaser. Do you watch movie trailers? You can provide the same excitement to trigger your subscribers' interest before publishing your new video. Besides, you can promote your best old videos to the new members of your community. 8. Give shoutouts. You can show appreciation to people that support your channel, like top commenters, discussion starters, or active subscribers that usually engage with your content, by giving them a shoutout. 9. Plan a Q&A session. You can ask your subscribers to leave questions in the comments section, but don't forget to inform them beforehand. If you are having a decent number of subscribers, you can have a huge engagement session with your community and maximize their participation by trying to solve their problems or provide them with helpful information. 10. Collaboration with other YouTubers. If you are doing collaboration with another YouTube channel, you can use the Community tab to tell your subscribers about interesting content that they create. If you are following other channels, you can check their Community tab to get some good inspiration for your own posts and see how viewers react to such posts. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.